guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to look at Onyx Studio 6. This is how we are looking at the black one. We have the blue version with the gold handle. We also have the silver version. So basically when we look at the specifications, Onyx Studio 6 has the Bluetooth basically 4.1. The version is the 4.1 version, 4.2 version. A maximum of 8 hours of playtime. That one most likely on 50% volume. Then IPX waterproof. That means it's splash proof, it's rain proof. When it drops in water, it can stay under 1 meter for 30 minutes. Yeah. The wireless dual sound means when you have two speakers, you can connect them and experience the stereo when both the speakers are paired. We'll go ahead and open it up. We have a couple of manuals from Harman Kardon. This will give you directions on how to operate it. Power cable. I think we have a couple of power cables to fit different regions. This is, I think, US. Power brick kit. That is our black Harman Kardon. Yeah? Very sweet. We'll go ahead and clear out this so that we can look at a couple of things about the speaker. First thing you see when you open a Harman Kardon Studio 6 speaker, of course the Harman Kardon emblem. We have the power button right in the middle, the volume up, volume down, and Bluetooth, and of course the play button. Yeah. So to power it on, you just you press the power button, you'll feel the chime. Yeah, that is the chime to show its power. Then to connect it with phone, you'll have to press the Bluetooth button. Okay, we'll go ahead and test one of the sounds. Let me look for a song with a bang. Okay, let's try this one here. Basically, it has a very powerful sound. Okay, from the back you will see it has a seal. This one is waterproofs the ports. It completely seals off the ports. Under the seal, basically we have a service port, we have a power port, and a headphone port as well. Yeah. Basically it looks like a small pass. When you look at the texture as well, it looks like it has a fabric on top. The fabric is all weather. Compared to the Onyx 5, this one is basically waterproof, the other one is not. Okay, generally the price at our shop is 28,000. I think we can give a small discount on the same. Yeah. iPrototype Electronics. We are located next to Kemu Towers, Ambank House, along with Talile. If you want to contact me over the same, you can always contact me on 0724 506 980, or you can visit our page as well, www.probykenya.com. Our social handles, basically we have iPrototype Electronics on Facebook, on Twitter, iPrototype Electronics as well. Instagram, you'll also get us under iPrototype Electronics. Please check out our YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell to get our future videos. We'll see you in the next one.
Good. 1, 2, 3.
Nikifanya kama teno.
Unazirudia sana.
Please don't forget to share. Hiyo part ya mwisho I think ndio.
Usijali. Iko sawa hivyo.
But for presentation generally Japan
iko good. Yeah. Iko good.